How to fix mic not working on Fortnite? Step 1. Check your microphone connection. Make sure your headset or microphone is securely connected. If using a USB headset, try different USB port. Step 2. Click settings. Click system settings. Click sound settings. Under input you have seen the settings. You need to open it, and there is an option have test. You need to click test and test your microphone. Next step, allow microphone access. Click settings, click privacy and security settings. Scroll down, click microphone settings. Enable microphone access and let app access your microphone. Both should be in enable mode. Verify it. Step 4. Open up Fortnite. Go to profile icon. Click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click audio. Click main. It should be in enable mode. And click communication. The voice chat should be everybody or friends depends on you. The voice chat method depends on you. But the voice chat input and output is set it correctly. If you not know means go to settings and check and set here correctly. Click apply. Next step, search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Windows Audio. Right click, click properties and make sure the startup type and service status it should be in automatic and running mode. One more time right click and restart it. Close it, and the last and final step, click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click more sound settings. A pop-up will appear. In this you need to click the recording and click the microphone, right click it, click properties, click advanced and make sure the exclusive mode it should be in enable. Make sure it, click apply and OK. After restart your device. Thank you.